In this video, I'm going to show you how to like a game on Roblox and also fix the issue where you can't like the game. So let's jump straight into it. First, open Roblox and select the game you want to like. Make sure you do not click on the play button yet. Now go just below the game image. Here you'll see the thumbs up button. Simply click on the thumbs up icon to like the game. Now, if Roblox is not letting you like the game, there are a few things you need to check. First, click on More and open Settings. Now go to Account Info. Here, make sure you've added an email address to your Roblox account. If you already added one, make sure the email is verified. Once your email has been verified, go back to Roblox. Now make sure you've actually played the game for a few moments. After playing the game briefly, return to the game page and try pressing the thumbs up button again. You should now be able to like the game successfully. And that's how you can like a game on Roblox and fix the issue where the like button isn't working. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and gaming tips.